My sister went squishy hunting with my mom, and we got jelly cats today too. This little Clover one. My mom bought it for us for like Leprechaun's Day, because that's the day my parents got married, so like that's the only reason. Oh, it's Tippy. And my sister's dumpling that she ordered off of Walmart came today, so let's see what we got. No one else is home right now, so, oh, Tippy. So I think we all know this isn't gonna be real because, yeah, she's seen it, but I haven't seen what color's inside. So, I don't know what color it's gonna be, so make y'all's predictions. And I'll open it up in a separate video, but make your predictions on what you think it's gonna be. And then we both got these squishies from Five Below because they didn't have dumplings at Five Below, which actually made me so mad. We tried I don't know. We tried the closest Five Below. We've tried other Five Belows before and they just don't have them. And it's meant to have this thing on it, but this squishy is actually really good. And then we got peelers because we love peelers. I'll show you what I got in a minute. We both got these Squishmallow things. I don't really recommend them because they have air in them. And I tried taking the air and it popped. And it's really not that fun to squish, but that's okay. Switching locations. I'm in the process of packing right now, so for my trip that I'm leaving for tomorrow. My parents are out eating right now. And then so this is what it looks like when you remove the air. It's not fun anymore. Being honest, I kind of hate it. I should not have removed the air. And then I also got this squishy from Dollar Tree. It's really pretty. Ready? I was doing that in the car. There's one more thing, but I can't remember what it is. And then here's my cat. It has a pineapple on it still. This one's so fun. I actually like it more than the Nido Iceberg. But yeah, that's my haul. Bye guys. Love you.